Each key on a mechanical keyboard is an independent switch composed of a keycap, stem, slider, housing, spring, and metal contact. When a key is pressed, the slider pushes the metal contact to complete a circuit, sending a signal that the circuit board converts into an electrical signal recognizable by the computer. The familiar click sound also comes from this mechanical structure. In contrast, a membrane keyboard has no independent mechanical switches. Its tactile feel comes from the silicone layer underneath. Beneath the silicone are 3 film layers. The top and bottom are circuit layers, and the middle is an insulating layer. When a key is pressed, the top and bottom circuits make contact through a hole in the insulating layer, generating a signal. The top layer has 12 conductive lines, and the bottom layer has 11, each connected to a group of keys. For example, when the Y key is pressed,